For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I got in order to upgrade the way I make my videos with my smartphone. Hey guys, Ice here of coznowEiZcan. If it's your first time here, this is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. When I restarted this channel and after making my first video, I knew that I needed to upgrade my gear in order to provide or produce better quality clips. Now, with budget in mind, I actually wanted to update the audio that you guys will be hearing, so I knew that I needed to get a mic. So I did my own research and also watched a lot of review videos, which I will be linking on the description box below, and I ended up getting the MOVO VX-R10. So logically, when I do my research, I try to get a best price. So I browse around the web, and in Amazon, I found a better option. MOVO has the smartphone video kit version 1.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So as of this filming, the MOVO smartphone video kit version 1 retails at around 115 USD, but it does come with a lot. So it comes with a smartphone clamp with a detachable handle and a lanyard, an accessory shoe that you can plug in on the top of the clamp, a 30 LED light that is wireless, rechargeable, and has 3 levels. It also comes with a Bluetooth clicker so that when you want to take photos of yourself from afar. And obviously the star of the package, it comes with the VX-R10 boom mic, which has a shock mount and a windscreen. The entire package comes with a carrying bag where you can actually put everything there, and also has a white cloth for cleaning everything. Apart from the USB cable that you will use to charge the LED light, it also comes with the standard audio cable that you can use with your digital cameras. But what I like about this package is you don't have to purchase another cable which is for smartphones, because majority of the smartphones right now that have the microphone jack is using a TRRS end. So you do have the TRS that goes to the mic and the TRRS that you need to plug in on your smartphones. Now other brands, especially the popular ones, don't actually come with this. You have to purchase it separately. So that's also one of the reasons why I went with the MOVO package. So apart from the 30 LED light, and by the way, these clips don't come with the LED. I just have it there because I like to put a filter in front of it to soften the light. Apart from this 30 LED light, everything else on the package you can actually find individually sold on the MOVO website. I will be putting the link on the description below along with the product description of each, so that you can read up all the tech specifications if you're interested in getting one. Once you have everything all together, you'll be able to turn your smartphone from this to this. Once you've turned your smartphone into now a leveled up filming rig, you can now mount it on a tripod Or you do have the flexibility to do active vlogging. If you actually do like travel vlogs, or if you like showcasing new places that you've eaten at, then you'll be able to use this because you do have a grip to hold on to, apart from adding also a tripod or a mini tripod base to it. You'll be able to go around and film yourself and even look more professional. Now on to the feedback part of this video. I'll just be touching on the three major components of this kit and provide my own feedback because I've been using this MOVO smartphone video kit for quite a while now. Now let's start off with the phone clamp. Now I do like that the detachable base of the phone clamp is actually weighted. This has a good weight on it, so it gives more stability, especially when you mount it on a tripod. Now it does also have a rubber padding at the bottom and at the top, so that it helps in making sure that your smartphone doesn't get scratched on the edge. One more thing that I like is that at the top and the bottom, you do have the standard 1/4 inch screw so that you can mount it on a tripod or even add further accessories. And as the kit indicates, it has the cold shoe where you mount the accessory bar or the accessory railing. One thing I forgot to mention is that even at the back, you do have a standard tripod mount or a standard 1/4 inch mounting hole. So for the negative part, the entire clamp, apart from this weighted detachable end or grip, is made in plastic. Now, the plastic is not as high quality as I'd expect, but again, it's only $100 or so, $115 for the entire kit. So I think it's not that bad. Apart from that being plastic, I would have loved if they actually had some soft padding here, or even just a very thin rubber to also assist in not scratching your phone. Now for the LED light. Now I'm pretty amazed by this. Now everything is made in plastic as well, similar to the phone clamp. What I like with this is that it's actually rechargeable, so that's good, right? You don't need a wire to connect it to your phone in order to power it. And also that I'm amazed that it has different levels of light, and it's not just one standard light. So that's pretty amazing for me. So I have a few feedback for this one. You can put a filter to it. The light is a bit harsh if you consider using this, because the 30 LED, though it's just 30 LED, if it's really close to you, it's quite light. And if you're mounting on your phone, usually your distance would be like this. So if you have a mount here, you'll be able to put a filter to make sure that the light doesn't blast too much or burn, in a sense, the skin tone that you have. So that's the reason why I put these clips here, so that I could slide in or clip a filter to make the light softer. One more thing is that it doesn't actually swivel. So once you mount the cold shoe, it stays as is. If it had a swivel, it would be better, so that you could angle the light a bit and adjust the lighting on your subject. So for the star of the kit, which is the mic, the main reason why I bought the whole kit, the VXR10 by MOVO is quite sturdy. It has a good weight and it's made in aluminum. It comes with a shock mount, and it's one of the positives that I like, because the shock mount that it has is just with a small footprint. It doesn't cover you, or it doesn't really give you too much distraction, because some of the shock mounts would have extensions up to here that could possibly even cover your camera depending on where you're going to place it. Now, one addition to the MOVO VXR10, or one accessory that it comes with, is the windscreen. So I'm not sure how much of the wind you can actually hear, but we're here to try out if this would muffle indeed the wind that you're hearing right now. So now that the windscreen or the dead cat is installed, hopefully it sounds better. We'll see, and I'll check later on once I check it on post, because really getting pretty windy here, so have to go inside. Now, right now, obviously, I'm not using the mic, but the sample clip would be able to assist and give you an idea what type of quality the mic gives. So if you're like me and you're just starting out in YouTube content creation, or if you just love doing videos with your smartphone, the MOVO smartphone video kit version 1 is a good option to start with. 115 USD as of the time of this video is not that bad in my opinion. And if you want to purchase just the mic, I'll leave the description or the links below in the description box. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's around 30 to 35 bucks just for the mic. It is cheaper by around 20 to $25 compared to the most expensive or the more prominent brands out there. So if you're into smartphone filming, the MOVO smartphone video kit is a good option. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them on the comment section below. Again, I'll be linking the description for the items on this package, the whole MOVO kit or the MOVO smartphone video kit, and the links where I purchased it at the description box. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. But if you liked it, I'd appreciate if you hit on the like button and also the subscribe along with the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Again, guys, we're all here to learn.